Hello everyone. In this video we will see that how we can assign a task from a workspace directly to for any project. Let's suppose I want to assign a task for TKM Bangalore. So under actions here, click on this add task icon. It will pop up a window there. Click on the plus icon. Here workspace and workbook will be predefined. Select the whatever a task category you select. Let's put reminder, and in case I want to add any new task category, I can add it from here by clicking on add new task category. Add the task title, any detail you want to add, and then on here on assign to, select the name of a user whom you want to assign the task and share task with. Select the person with whom you want to share the task. Here you can mention that what will be the due date or closing date for this particular task, or on by which date the task has to be closed. Once you select all these fields, click on the save. A task will be created here, and same will be a notification will be sent to Ananth as well, that for this particular project under this workbook or workspace, a task has been assigned to you. Thank you.